Hi everybody, doing the last part of Blizzard, the first one where we have a potential access to the database. They give us the alert, it said potential high bandwidth outbound connection from SQL, and then they tell us the IT team has also shared the infected database server setup internal access only and is not yet linked to any system. It's still in the setup phase. This information could help narrow, so it means it's a local network. Okay, as I said, I'm using I connect using X3RDP. So I start my machine. I have my that I start the registry. We can start the registry loading the hives. So the DB, let's load, if we load them now. So the user we're interested or his DB admin. We can load also the SAM, security. I will come back to software now. Cache. Okay, don't need it now. Why it's dirty? It's supposed to work fine. The software part. Okay, let's start. Okay, the question is when the attacker was able to access the machine from another internal machine. So basically now we can do it in two ways. So here's the event. Let's open the event. Okay, if we go now to, because it's a security log. So remember, for example, the other room, we said, for example, event ID 4624, it's a login. So we just need to look for 4624, and let's remember now the host. We know the host name, and then we have a date. We can say is the 24th of the month. So we get 4624. So we can just say filter the current log, an ID 4624, and then we have the name. We have the data of the host. So we can just get anything just related to the computer, and then we can custom range. Let's say it starts from the 24th March. Say let's make it AM. Let's say 1 o'clock AM or midnight. Yeah, we can say midnight 01 AM, and end on the 24th. Oops, what I did, I messed up. What the hell I did there? 2024, and then May, go to 24th, and then let's say 11 o'clock at night, 59. Let's do just play around that. 59. So we just do that. We have our log. Let's go back to that. In the same time, we can use because we have in desktop we have this time explorer. We can use also time explorer, but to do that we need to convert. We need to go to, where is the tools, cd tools. No, is there ls. So this command evtx .exe. I can give it a file. Where is that hosting? C Windows system, I think system 32 win I forgot what's the path. We have this is part of the send for you can get all the command for easy tool. The path is win evt. Oh, I forgot about the command. Yeah, we do win evt logs security. I need to have it csv. Let's put it in C directory, and then csv file, let's call it security.csv, and we only include what that one 46 I'm a bit tired. 4624 624. So let's get a CSV file. What is complaining about? 2 dash. This one need to have it 2 dash. Okay, 2 dash. Okay, we have that one. We can play around it. We'll come back to this one now. It doesn't take too long. Let's finish it. Okay, we can open it here. Open is in the C directory. I save it there. So security v, we have that. So basically it's the same things, but this one it's like CSV, and then we have this. Now if we have this now also we need to look for example where we are now, 24th where is the so we all log in. So which one is the correct one? So if we open now for the morning, we have this 2. When you say login type number 2, remember where is it? Login types. Login type 2, it means occur when a user log in using a computer local keyboard. Because we are in a local network, we are more interested in number 3 because it's a network login. We don't interested in the system number 5. All of them is, we are more interested in number 3. We're looking for network login number 3. We can run around here and we keep looking which one is. This is number 10 is not interested. Is number 5 is system. Remember also we can just play close the timings, because we know things start here around 7 o'clock at night, so we can play safe and go. Let me go to 7 p.m. Let's start from 7. If you go here number 5, 5 is it's not interested for us. Let me do this so you can see it. Number 3 is interesting. What's happening in 726? But we have null SID. I try to understand this null SID, but I'm not sure what exactly happened. It didn't get the username or something, but you can see now it's trying to log in as DB admin. And then we have you see he's using anti-alarm, so we are good. Then it changed my host. So this one because of a null byte. So the next one, the 7, it also has this null SID. Null. Then we have a 48. It's also null. Then the 49 is number 5. No, I forgot now. Who is number 3? At what time this guy logged in? Number 555. Ten 49. It's null. I forgot. I'm getting tired. This is null number 3. Oh, this is null in 48. What's the name of the station? Number 5. Number 5 is what? Number 5 again? Is a service, so we're not interested in service. 2 is a normal login. Number 5. Now I'm getting lost. I forgot what was the correct answer. I'm tired, guys. Let's do it. Let's play around it there. I forgot about this. I forgot how I got the answer. Where is this? Where is that? Type login. Let's do this one in equal logon type 3. We are testing number 3. So we got this number 3. Then we have the machine. Where is that machine name? We're interested in this machine, so we got computer equal to HSSQL 01 server. So no, this won't become the shorter. Then where is it? You can see the local machines we're talking about, which is this one. It has a name, so you can suspect it's and you can see it's logged into the DB admin. So somehow is this one. So if we go this one, so what's the time for this? Let me see. Which number? This one? Oops. I couldn't see it there. I was no, I got lost. Yeah, this one. So this 4. This is the 4 very interesting ones. This is not logging as an admin, so this we can rule out this. So it's db and then change my host. No, this is the way they get st null. So let me make this one bigger. So when at what exactly that one start? Let's put this one the 48. Is it part of them? Yeah, it start here. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's follow what's happening there. In 3848, it log, and then it log using this workstation. It log in the DB admin in type 3 network. So we call in that authentication logon. What's the difference between all of them? Yeah, in theory, because when you start logging, so the first time he log in this range, so it's 73848. Why I didn't see it here? 738 was it 73848? 73848. Why this one didn't picked up? He said null SID. Very funny. What exactly the filter the current log? 34 is correct, so we have 46 and we have the computer and we have the ID, so there's nothing wrong with that. This one is number 5, so it's a network, so the workstation is WSTN. So if before it, what happened? It's number 3. Now I'm getting confused. For 624, so it's 7. So at 48 we have the machine, the connection from the machine. Where is that machine again? The WSTN.this IP 101, and have 1 2 3 4 connection. But in this log file it's start before that. Before that is this one. Wait, mean it's like it is not local, this one 10.4.29.12, so it's not, it's an administrator payload data, so it's this one. But why you don't see it here? The 48 straight said null SID, but 731.01 it's still trying to connect. 3847 3801 3801 38. It's even, he didn't have it here. Let's do this. Let me clear the filter. I'm getting confused now. Let me go back to 6 afternoon 7. So basically the more interesting one is this one, the 34.8, where this one they start. Give me a second. 738.48 738. Oh, now they have a couple of them. So 738.48 credential validation, and then the next one, the login at 48, and then it's type 3. So it's correct, type 3, but why he has them null SID here? When you do 4627, this one, that's why we didn't see this 3. It's 4672. 4672. It's validating the connection. Look, guys, I'm not sure. I'm getting confused now. I know it's number. So you can see now it log in at login type 3, which is network. And here is very clear, because here you can get it straight from the, it give you the machine, the local machine that is connecting from, and we know it's type 3, this machine, and then we know it's type 3. Where is that type 3? So the first time this guy connected from this machine, WKS in, so I assume this is the local machine, so the data should be this one. So can we copy it? 3847, so it's let's try it. I think it's that one, if I'm mistaken. Let's copy this so don't waste time. 738. Now I got 3848. That's the first time when you log in. 3848. Let's confirm it. Oops, I was worried that's not correct. I'm getting a bit confused now. This SID null. These null things. But at least we know it's number 3. Login type number 3 is the network. So that's then what's the full path of the binary exfile data? Okay, now if we go inside the Explorer, we have the, so if you go to PC, and then of course we're interested in the user db admin. Let's see if any hidden files there. Show hidden file. So the first thing you can see, this is this one. You can see this rc clone, and there is rc clone zip. So there is a zip folder here, which should give you the name of this file, Windows 64 rc. So you get from the name rc clone is cloning something. Then we have it here already. If we go inside, you can see this. This is more about the software, so it's not really it gives you some what is it, rc clone. We can open with notepad, automatic by pandoc to wherever. You can rclone do for you. What feature does rclone is a command line prompt to manage file and cloud storage. It is feature rich alternative to cloud vendor web storage. So basically this one, like some type of backup that can steal them, not steal, you can use it for legitimate. So user call rclone the Swiss army knife of cloud storage, so that you can see it's that's what useful. So you can bet that's exactly what this guy was using to steal the data. So that's the binary that this guy is using. So you assume is this one, the binary name. What's the name? rc clone for sure. rc clone rclone.exe. Then what email is used by the attacker to exfiltrate sensitive data? This one got me confused a little bit, because this one is run. So to run it need to be configured, and then it looked like it's a missing file somewhere. So if you go back there, if you go here, it has it's the same thing. It's like but you can see how the hell is configured this this system. I didn't Google it to learn about it, but one thing when you do let me go back to play around here. Let's say if I want to say recent docs, can we get that? I didn't try it, but let's try it. Explorer, recent doc, what we have? Nothing. Shall what this registry? What did we open? I thought we opened all of them. Did we open all of them? The security system software, user and users. What? There's no recent document in this one. There's no. That's funny. How come it doesn't have a recent docs? Where is the TryHackMe? Last saved Amario. Let's try that one. Location is in the software. Open saved Amario, and let's see if we can find this one. What the hell? Doesn't want to show nothing today. User assist also doesn't have. I'm got confused now. No, but you can go the old way, like the app data, because remember Windows always like to remember stuff. If you go to Roman, you can see the RC clone there. So we have Microsoft. I don't think Crypto, did he download anything? He didn't download anything. Crypto RSA keys, Internet Explorer. No, I don't think we use. But we have updater. You can see updater. Roaming. You have this RC clone. If you go there, you say, "Oh, there's a config file there." So if I open the config file, and we get the email and the password. So this one was configured somehow, but I don't know why I didn't pick it up in recent document. I'm a bit tired, guys, to be honest, to think now. It's my third video today. And where did the attacker store the persistent plot in the registry? Okay, good question. Where's that key of run? Let's see, go back to our game. Let's see the run key. No, this run. What is running here? This is the PowerShell one. You can see if you go run, you find now the PowerShell one, and we can run the key directly from the registry. Let me open the registry editor so we can check for both of them. Where is it? No, not that key. The second one. These 4 keys usually they have the run things. Okay, yeah, the run one and the software one. You can see now there is a PowerShell here. Let's copy it, and then it's the same what we find here in registry editor. You can see the command of PowerShell. Binary view doesn't. Oh, binary view maybe show directly. Oh, it shows. It doesn't convert it automatic, this one. Okay, so we go to our friend CyberChef, who you can go with what's the name of PowerShell command. You can do this script, convert to, hey, just too much stories in Windows. They just use our friend base 64 from base 64, and then we can remove the null byte. So we can go. So what he's doing here is downloading this config. Remember we got it, I think, in task number 2. He download this configure.exe, save it, start it, then remove it so you don't catch it. So what's the question again? Where did the attacker store the persistent implant registry? Provide the registry value name. So the value name, you can see the value name here is this secure update. You can see it in the registry too. It's there. The value name is secure update. So we got this question correctly. The next one is saying, aside from registry implant, another persistent implant is stored within the machine. When did the attacker implement the alternative backdoor? Okay. Now you can think about it is maybe what else he can either do a schedule task. I don't think it's a schedule. It's not a schedule task. Where is the schedule task? What's the name of that schedule task things? Task scheduler. I don't think. No, it is not a test schedule. I remember this room. I forgot. I don't think it's the. It's not a schedule. Or is it schedule task? No. Local. You can check. I don't think it's a schedule task. I forgot about it. But we can. Who is that room for? Oh, this is the schedule task. We can get all of them. And to see list the schedule tasks sorted by their creation date. Okay, we can play this. Okay, let's do this one. No, I'm getting a bit confused now. So we can paste that. I don't think it's a shared task, it's a service. Uh, uh, what the hell? Why is only showing? Did I miss something? So it's not shared. The only one that running is only one of them. Let me confirm with this one. So we can see the all old one 2013, so it's not so it's a service. Now let's look for services. Manual inspection of services. We can play around that, but I like the way that PowerShell work. We can open the service. Let's see if we can guess it. Event firewall. Okay, what we call that? Services. No, there's too many of them to look for them. Here you can start with a status running. Now you can try to figure out which one has a funny name. Otherwise, you do our the guys. I'm sorry, I'm not doing it manually, to be honest. What we can do is we can remember that if we can get the services, we can get them automatic. Now let's do that. That's all of the one running. What interesting about this room, we can try this once, but there's one thing. When you finish down, it said next there might be cases where the malicious service has stopped after running its initial payload, like when the service binary immediately migrate into another process. So here it's interesting, because when I spent time, I was looking in this part, get the one that's running, but I forgot to look for the one that stopped working. Now he's using this script, get register. Is this one? Let's copy it. I can get the PowerShell. I'm a bit lazy for typing. Let's open new file. Let's paste the script. Let's name it as it is, so we don't waste time. Let's call it get in a tool folder. Let's save it there. Save it. Let's save it in a C in tools folder, so we get the same command. So if we save it there, then we're done with this one. Then we can do, before we do that, we need to bypass. We can bypass that one, and then we come this. We can see import that, and then we can run our script. Now we're running the service. They are stopped, they're not running. Now there are not too many of them, and you can see the first one, it give you something what he's doing. It's a name users fz928968. You can this. What he's doing is going see Windows is it's a new room. It's 8 o'clock, so it's a new TryHackMe room. Is downloading this file, and then to administrator updater on your Microsoft Windows, start to the administrator startup, and then that's very strange uh, looking processes, and then and you can see the date of it is 24/2055. This is the date exactly where for the question. We can confirm it in the question now. When did the attack implement the alternative backdoor? That's correct. The question is, what the hell is this thing do? I forgot about it. C Windows System 32 30 till URL cache split is downloading something, status.exe, and through it to use administrator updater roaming Microsoft Windows start menu program start status. But what this thing do? Is it another backdoor? I can't lie. What exactly is supposed to do? Is download something and then what? So is this malicious something here? And you can see the time is 3:24:24, so it's he did it at 8:45, so you can suspect. But I'm not sure what exactly if you put it under the startup, but it's in the updater roaming, so he tried to inject the admin. In any case, guys, I can't lie to you, but that's my best for this room. Where is that service if we look at it now? Start name cdb user, where is it? cd, this one is not running. Local system, yeah. In any case, guys, let me think about it. I will put in the comment and figure it out or something, but that's my best explanation for now. So yeah, hope you like the video. Thank you very much and have a good day.